I took this sell trade on crash 300 index and I'm highly expecting the sells on this index. I'm expecting more crash to the downside. So what's my market analysis on this index? Why did I predict the sells at this point? We'll be having a market view and market analysis on this trade. And I'll be showing you guys reasons why I took the sells on this index. So coming to the weekly time frame, as always do, whenever I want to analyze the market, start from the higher time frame. I urge you traders to make this as a habit of starting from the higher time frame whenever you want to analyze the market, whenever you want to look out for trade opportunities. So on the weekly time frame on this index, we can tell that this index has been on a long-term sell-off. Since the existence of this index, it's been selling to the downside. This index has had a massive decline to the downside. So now we spot the levels and zones of this index, the important levels and zones. The levels we think we got market reaction on. We got this level as an important level, the first level of this index basically. We have a level before that level at this point. These are important levels to check because you can see that price reacting on this level as a resistance here for the sells to the downside. And we got a formation too at this point. This is a resistance formation here, a support at this zone, 4 more sells to the downside. We got another level as well. This is another important level, another key level on this index. A support at this point, a support here, a support here, a support here. So if price is to push to the upside in the coming days and weeks, you're likely to get the reaction on this level as a resistance. We got another level as well, which you have to also identify. Always take note of these levels. Always spot these levels before you look out for any trade opportunity on the chart. So we got another level at this point too, a key level. So on this current market structure, we can tell that price is trying to give a formation, a reversal formation, and a inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which could give us more buys in the coming days and weeks and months basically on this index. But why did I take the sells on this trade? We'll be having a look on that sooner in this video. So this is market structure we got. Let's identify it. This is like a descending channel formation and is a reversal pattern as well, also a continuation pattern. So this is a descending channel we got at this point, and we can see that price has broken out of this descending channel formation. Let's go to the daily time frame to have a view of this market structure as well. So in daily time frame on this index, we can see that this is a clear downtrend or a descending channel as we saw on the weekly time frame. This is a downtrend basically on the daily time frame because you can see that price is creating this lower highs and lower low structure. We got the first highs at this point. This is a nice formation too. Got the first highs at this zone. We got another high but a lower high. Always identify this market structure. Always have in mind of this market structure, this market formation, the market trend basically. So we got another high here, a lower high. So this is a clear downtrend. We got a low at this point, the first lows of this index at this zone. We got another low that flowed up, a lower low, right? We got another low as well, a lower low. We got another low here too, a lower low. So this is a nice formation, a nice very structure. And we can see that price has broken out of this lower low formation, now creating higher highs and higher lows at this point. The market has shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. This is a new trend formation, right? And we got the highs of this index at this point, the higher highs at this zone, right? So this is a trend support here, our trend support at this zone, and our trend resistance at this point. We got the first test of our trend resistance already here, sorry, at this level. We got the first test of our trend resistance here because you can see our price pushed to the upside and sold back to the downside. Price came back to the same level again, bought back to the upside as a support. All right, so this is our trend support and this is our trend resistance at this zone. You can see how price pushed to the upside to come test this same level we marked up and sold to the downside. So what are we to expect on this current price level? As we've gotten the first, the second, and third test of our trend support, we're likely to get price give us the third test of our trend resistance. So we have a level which price is likely to come retest, which is the reason I took my sells on this index. We got the highs of this current trend at this point. We got the highs at this zone. We got the highs here, and you can assume that price is likely to sell to the downside in the coming days and hours on this index to give us a proper test of this level. Because we're expecting more buys on this index because we've been able to get the first, the second, and third test of our trend support, the third test at this zone, third test of our trend support at this point. We've been able to get the first, the second, and third test of our trend support. So likely to get price push more to the upside to come give us a third test of our trend resistance at this zone. So if I can get price pushed to this level, looking out for buy opportunities. If I can get price pushed to this identified level, like a move of this kind, a sell to this zone, they'll be expecting the buys to the upside to come test our trend resistance, right? If I can get price give us a move of this kind, then looking out for good buy opportunity on this index. So that's my view on the daily time frame. That's my market analysis on this index on the daily time frame. So I'm expecting the sales currently from this current price level. I'm expecting the sales from this level to the downside. I'm actually getting the sales. I'm expecting more sales in the coming hours on this index. So if I can get price sell to this level, I'm looking out for good buy opportunity. For more confirmations on this identified buy level, we're bringing up our Fibonacci to from the swing lows to the swing highs, right? From the swing lows to the swing highs to check our possible level of retracement. And we can see that this identified level is matching up with our 61.8 retracement level, which is a good retracement point. So let's expect price to sell to the downside in the coming hours and days on this index for the long-term buys on crash J100 index. So that's my market analysis. That's my view on this index. That's what I'm expecting. And if price to give us the sales to this level, if we can get price sell to this identified level, looking at for a couple of confirmations on this zone to buy this index. So my entry is based on an ascending channel that got broken and retested. Right, we got this ascending channel formation here. It got broken and retested. So the retest of this level, we are getting the sell to the downside, right? And the retest of this ascending channel, we're getting price sell to the downside to come test this level. So that's my analysis on this index. So let's expect more sales on C300 index. And I will give you guys an update on how this trade played out. So I would be holding this trade and I will take more sell entries if I'm to get more confirmations on this index because I'm expecting the sales. So that's this, guys. Smash like button for more market analysis and trade review like this. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging my videos. Really means a lot, guys. Let's do more. I do have enough.